Welcome to Centennial Glass, your trusted partner for residential exterior doors and entrance solutions in Ottawa. Each door we provide is not only a statement piece, but also a testament to enhanced security, energy efficiency, noise insulation, and superior weather protection. Our products are designed and built by Canadians for Canadian weather. They're crafted to withstand Ottawa's wild temperature swings and diverse precipitation. With a wide selection of sizes and color options, we offer customizable solutions to perfectly fit your home's style and needs. Quality is our promise. That's why we offer comprehensive warranties on all our products. Experience the Centennial difference, where exceptional craftsmanship meets unparalleled expertise to transform your home's entrances. Centennial Glass, your doorway to a safer, more beautiful home.
Audio Jungle.